Safo Castro. As all my messages also automally.
Okay.
But of show no live.
Oh, yana be in chia
coach Safo Castro. Because me part of Asante Kotoko Communications team.
Okay.
And then Director of Communications for Greater Accra Regional Circles Council. And these are my...
Okay. So say why declare? It's now your technical director.
David.
Jody Johnny say in country say he can die in Kotoko. We don't care. It's Jody Johnny. Or say me for
said yeah, or no better die or house.
Sad I'll see you die in Kotoko. Mr. Jonathan, Jody Johnny, I'll pay. Sports Park team na obi Mr. Jonathan, yeah.
Such a selfless man.
Oh yeah, quite an interesting man. Now then I go PMU South Africa. You moved. We thought you were going to extend your stay over there, but right after the victory, you say more called Johannesburg. Then near Fisa more friendly car, say more Buffy. But how was the trip to South Africa?
Oh, my say trip in there. I mean, a fabulous trip right from the Kotoko International Airport last week Tuesday. Was a flight to delay Accra because initially we were supposed to set off by 6:30 p.m. By 7:30 p.m. But flight to delay Accra, 2 years somewhere 40 minutes after 9 p.m. Last week Tuesday. It's just a little over 5 hours, or let's say 6 hours approximately. 6 hour journey.
Man chance to
Johannesburg.
Straight to Johannesburg.
Yes.
Okay.
Then from Johannesburg about 47 minutes to Durban.
Okay.
So now move to a hotel. And right from Kotoko, like I said, Kaizer Chiefs on my embo mabaso. I mean, omo ya idea papa. On my who say, look, football is about money.
Wow.
Intina nana edue kase Ghana had the football in the sika. Transfer football is and Ghana nwa.
Baby.
Omo actually say why invest in your sports now? You will never reap anything good. Omo chese omo invest because your body South African airline.
Yeah.
And from Kotoko and Sana, you be go flight no ground. Baby, I was say you go through all the processes. It was all about Kotoko.
Wow.
Every 5-10 minutes, announcement baby Kotoko.
Wow.
It tells you the arrangement.
Yeah.
You call flight you announce a bar the welcome Asante Kotoko on board.
Wow.
Contingent to
You were huge over there.
Charlie, not easy. I do baby no kwanafe some of the cabin crews we fly to no were forcing us to give them our jerseys. Not easy.
Wow.
Abrante baku buy. Or see the day no any porcupine no air related.
In their native language.
Yes, air related. Into no let me tell you, Yelandi or Durban. TV crew flight crew what to quite abra say o kodano ni colleagues ni ja no ho e ma ni twen ma ye luggage ni na buy and say na ye bie bag so ama no jersey.
That's nice. Wow.
And o ma ye who say Kotoko a huge power by the agro.
Even there, over there in South Africa.
I am telling you. What's they believe in tradition and culture. So anything be a traditional club. Now we are rich in culture. You are welcome in South Africa. And Kaizer Chiefs, especially Durban, a kingdom, and they are being ruled by the Zulu king.
Okay.
It's a kingdom on its own. And Kotoko known to be originated from Asante Kingdom,
True.
A huge. It's from Durban Airport, police escorts, 1 bus, 2 minibuses, 3 saloon cars.
Hey, it was a whole convoy.
I'm telling you, 2 4x4 cars.
Wow.
All Toyota products.
Just leading you.
Yes, to a hotel. Branded with Kaizer Chiefs colors.
Oh, interesting.
Branded. the Kaizer Chiefs colors. And up in crowd on the car, Akoto, Asenso, me as a media person, in your van with my car. Into Ghana contingent media for buyer from Thursday, Nami van, I use you, and now I'm a woman. To a hotel, a 4-star hotel.
Wow.
In Durban. A 4-star hotel. Security, everything. And from day one, I could drew her. Oman Giant Hotel. I just will be a coda. Obe sorry no more. Wednesday, no my ready say because training. You see, Debbie, Wednesday day end training. Or a night break. A small walk be. Thursday, your mom time I be training 1 hour before the time. Now police for you ready. Now your buses are ready for training. A lady from the hotel to where you are training on Thursday. Now school in Kuala, starting from I think 10, 12 years. I'm a picture I'm used to know.
GPO, you GPO.
Facility, college, now your school for number with their cameras. Official cameras are belonging to the school. At the end, they want to come and take pictures of the team Asante Kotoko Communications school album.
Wow.
Yes. It's 2 boys prefects, 2 girls prefects with other prefects from school. And they were there throughout the number of hours I hear training.
Into more year training, no more.
Oh, taking pictures. Yeah, we are training Thursday. Call back hotel Friday. You call a second training. I'm changing facility. No, different. I mean, more modern facility. I'm doing. Koko year training. Charlie, before you call training Friday, then every year no. Now you call press conference today. And when we press conference, you know, say, look. Into the penny for now, we free Ghana call South Africa. Some consider the way more organizing football. No, football. No.
What did they list?
I'm going there. It is if I be into what we there. Then I'm going to buy.
Wow.
Because before yet, who would they press conference with pre-match conference?
Sure.
Who do honor? There's nothing like paper on the table.
Yeah, printing. Yes, photocopy machine.
Man just so now yellow green dominated now. My commissioner actually Debbie projector. As you work CSA. O ma project BPA. O team colors na projector no.
So bia de wo.
Enti say edu so a na watch way
and I wish it.
And players no. Wait for warm up. Wait for goalkeeper. Wait for captain's day. So Emma never bebre e consumer who say there are things we need to do here in Ghana.
Quite a lot.
Because look, Kaizer Chiefs, one sponsor, Emma Omo, Udiba Ghana Skemo, 29 million a season.
29 million.
One sponsor.
Is Toyota the official sponsor?
Yes. With Kappa, their kit sponsor.
Wow.
Omom kits, omom replica, omom football.
Training BBR, training kit BBR.
Omom ball a Kappa products. Omom Papua omo share a Kappa. Omom BBR, and do you know what? Won't fa a hono, who a replica of the Ajasia or be keke air tongue at the guni bottom. No, when you're accredited vendor, you dare not.
Official store.
Yes. We go there and buy. Say Ufa.
No, Obia get me. Edit table.
Ghana flag, Kotoko flag, has a flag. Just bro, you there? You can't. It's Africa. I'm glad you over Africa.
Wow.
Everything.
Well programmed.
Well programmed. Saturday, on my time, I was say, the dear ready. It's not top of the hotel, was a bus is not now. About police for passing DNM call stadium hall. Dear. Me, a do baby, afi na me tisa betibas no ka mentumi nkasa so yeah kid sponsor Abraham THB no atani why slow pa me say Abraham
very slow
because look from baby I hear that crack call baby I call here training no it's about 15 20 25 minutes drive
okay
obekwa one speed ramp kwa one speed ramp
just smooth side
and yes I me exaggerate you but I'm telling you first day me kaya no omani ankotina omo fi say me yewe second time I go tama Christopher say sasa na Nii Darko kaya no kre
it's a live picture said the one screen so no Kumasi Asante. So this was the time Anamu
hotel.
This was from the airport to the hotel in Durban.
Chale na said there now kwa we dey find East Legon Christ you Ghana baby I fepa ya East Legon na bo na the dustbins yes you na there e ho bi ni ho so on to me fa ngran to wow on to me fa to so say a footballer we need to change our mindset. I say Kotoko and again our Premier League we are over the opportunity to have 2 match venues.
Yeah.
The main one and the alternative one.
Yeah.
A whole choose main one we are. Emphasis Accra has a choose Accra Sports Stadium.
Yeah.
Mayor now and now DC now our Legon. So person has a choose Legon as the second alternative and the second venue on my BD with an amount.
To Heart of Oak.
Yes. Because the other venues.
Oh, no bet we choose.
About to be choose to person power. I was saying about the reason why I said me power. Now I charge you now what tria.
And they are too hot.
Because mayor no himself who bahoy. Economic growth.
Ebeba.
Excitement ebeba. Everything about me sitting and baby I want no.
Ebe cost.
Ghana ha. This even why mayor be.
Stadium now go use betia.
Why?
Stadium now go use go
We say tia. But when no share the crowd no on Saturday.
Yeah.
They are not a Durban based team. They are based in Johannesburg.
And they moved to Durban for the game.
And from Johannesburg to Durban, a 6-hour drive.
And by air, I'm call 47.
By air, 47 minutes. But look at the numbers of supporters. And top one, stadium top. The reason why the top one here empty is the stadium is under renovation. So as a Thursday, now the tickets were sold out.
Wow.
Just Kotoko. I'm telling you. Kaizer Chiefs FA Netherlands eba arrive in Durban on Wednesday. You could do what
and Kaizer Chiefs
yes, as at Friday, some of their players look at by arrive. The quality, the professionalism, everything. Charlie, Richard Ofori.
Oh, okay. Now, Freddie Kasai.
Freddie Kasai Obaho. Richard Ofori met him.
So he's with Amazulu now.
Yes,
he's with Amazulu.
Yes, and maybe I come board. I wanna Richard Ofori no ball home matches.
Okay.
Oh boy, and come on. I heard it. No, I mean, more players, no need more salaries. Na they more journey there.
Way beyond. But do you think that didn't create an inferiority complex? Because we'll talk about the game, but we share on the game now, and we've seen Mamelodi Sundowns. Sundowns played in the FIFA Club World Cup also this year. Do you think that makes our players feel a bit inferior? Oh no, that rather encourages the players that if I do more, I also get to where they are. So you leave Ghana and go? It's possible. If you're not ready to, develop your game, if you're not ready to get me the necessary, the needed facility, nobody will be go. I'll go. Among 4 clubs, no one said, yeah, it is true. We have a responsibility as a club. If you are a club, a leader of a club here in Ghana, you have a responsibility. One, you need to have a supporters database.
I don't know how many colleges sponsorships. No.
A supporters database.
Database. You should have scientifically. You can prove it.
Say you have a database.
Yes.
You know the amount.
Yes. Because Toyota now all sponsor Kaizer Chiefs. No. Also, look at Kaifa Nisiga Mbrel say, "Well, because I brought me so." My database HSA who supporters anye 50-60% of them will purchase or consume my products. Kepa, the same thing. What registered supporters base on paper it is there. I'm argue on biddings. Say this is what we have. Give us this and we will give this. Eti udi kwa suppose there be any hope say and almost now they have the bragging right because of what it takes to consume your products. So get me what will appeal to my supporters. Said they should come on board. It teams no they have that right to say no, this one it's not my standard.
So they can even call for the ones they want.
Call the shots because they have the support base. They have it.
Do we like it here in Ghana, or it's just that we've not gotten to that level where we'll start using, the science, technology, data, to bring on board sponsorship?
It's about leadership. Leaders, as scientifically know, they know what it takes to be a football administrator. You can easily do it. And then I'm happy because before say Richard Akoto, your current administrative manager, he's been there since Dr. Keke upon time.
Oh, that's a long time.
Yes, but no BNM no. It's a bano player registration what any idea or number one. And or a young man, they're about 32, 35 years old. Now, as I so, Abekane. And these are people who are football no more. It's a why first one you upgrade the Fabu census no. You might 1 year, 2 years.
You get to that level.
You get to that level because database now and let me be me way. Before you launched last week, now we have about 11,000, just 11,000 officially, and then make sure now over 12,000 plus. These are supporters who are contributing, but now I registered about 25,000. But a bit of complete here. But these are the completed ones that are more contribute. It's even with these 12,000, you can take it anywhere.
And bid for a sponsorship.
And bid for a sponsorship. So we'll get there. Like I said, it's about leadership. So who will lead this, who will lead the club, who will lead this, who will lead the supporters. Giving the supporters reason. Do you think say the Ayakoya or South Africa or China, you bomb match over by supporters in ma?
They will.
They will. So give them reason why they should come on board. Give them reason why they should contribute. It's the end of me who say Sana said Kwadjona is signing, Obebo is signing quality player. Asante Adabo, a quality player. Asante these players. My results. Supporters will register. Register no. Now your numbers no. Ekosro. Now your pesca at their background. Because I will not be surprised now no China. I said Kotoko sponsor be from South Africa. You will not be surprised.
So you saw yourselves.
Oh yes, we did. We did. It's Charlie, we have a long way to go.
What's the level of what's the difference? Say no share your Ghanaian clubs. I wouldn't say your football because obviously there's more talent here. But share the way we run the football commercially, administratively. What's the distance now between here and South Africa?
The distance is I tell you, because share football, the business aspect of football, about 70-80%. It is not just about fun.
Say the diagro
purely money, a business. And you going to Netherlands with this contingent. I find almost signing. But next 2 weeks, on the league. So you can imagine the number of players technical team. About 70-80% of them, if it's Tunisia. Yes. omo de omo nyina akoye na de e ska enti omo say I was say develop ade no and aban no so de no ho ade ahyem enti omo make sure say at least all the football pitches now e was cities nyina mu no e standard pitches facility always they make sure say omo maintain it but facility be no you visit here
you maintain
Charlie me say wow baby I call ball match no na fam wo kwa no nim se me de na wo say mo ye no e shine say obi a say ya try to fresh I dey way
we that's a video
na de bia
the pass sa
omo washroom e consistent owura hopia obi ba e pepa owura hopia obi ba e pepa even including wo airports and I do Kotoko because obi a kina bia ni ho but omo no you see obia una say na wo fa o ye ho na wo call washroom obeba no ya pepa obeba na ya pepa and that is how omo leaders no who football by yen ha no we don't see it that way because a consuming at least a ban employment here a consuming most of this youth because the Kaizer Chiefs they are omo ye ho omo employees cra ye no therefore say one team have about 100 employees
of course in terms of unemployment winners
what I say aban no create that enabling environment ama maintain that many your current president anya adwin say Osaka building new stadiums na there no because we have some
existing ones
we have existing ones sankene Esupon Tamale Cape Coast Accra Kumasi and if it was about just even 5 or 6 na they akatakwa there no na see boy league matches or ho
it will be good
who the sponsor
eba
and investor be ba obeba.
Do you think that's one of the things that deter sponsors from coming?
Oh yes,
the brand and
yes
your pitches the basic things.
Oh yes a lot because the way on my yard there no support I want to be sorry and say me ma your match with my life. No you can't Debbie you can't because why dream nankasa no yam to me na how dare you Missy no sponsor back up with your fans or 3, 4, 5 sponsors back up man 29 million Ghana cedis season annually now I call for camera base or say oh be match free now supporters also say what when you wait there and me to me my own yi e won to me yes sir but ahano e judge their team crack say to me sorry ka say oh match we kra no enye FA sanctioned but no na akotu am TV crew no ma so sorry for camera said that is e kwakotwa I mean how we not joking
Abdul Karim Zito, have you been impressed so far?
More than that. 42 days 3 trophies.
Hey, more kinkai.
Oh yeah, kinkai.
More kanko.
Yeah, kanko.
Wow.
42 days 3 trophies. Back on at the year in Africa.
Yeah.
Share Toyota Cup you. In South Africa, these are 2 major trophies. Apart from league, you know.
Okay.
Vodacom
top 8, no.
Top 8, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway. In a year major.
Pre-season trophies.
Yes. It's on the match day, even before the match day, now we're meeting Sundowns supporters. Our Maya ready say they will do everything possible to support Asante Kotoko. Oh yes.
Okay, because when we arrive
yes. It's also trophy presentation. That time we present trophy, no. Now all the supporters are Omuta Kaizer Chiefs for Chino. Omu nyina akoye. But if you far end ho na. Now group be se ho na omu shijama with brass band. Now we Sundowns supporters. What you say? Eti omu put this particular trophy omu bu no pa and a major trophy. Eti you win the trophy we no. Police for no dey go no. Airport no mu nyina go. Oh, yenya escort. Yenya escort mu nyina go jawo. Ase omo. Oh, but ama ye hunne ma bebre say Charlie.
Okay.
It's good. Young Kotoko. Ama ye lot of exposures from the players, the technical team, management. Kind of not entire point. Come work J form B.
Okay.
Okay, I should keep it. Back myself, my family, person trust in
structures. No,
yes.
You know.
And I have it. I have it in my bag.
Wow.
So I might say we can also do it. Charlie, we can do.
Yes. Into sure, penalty shootout. But did you think that you could win? I mean, your penalty, Kamara saved, and then the penalty shootout. So we take it 2-0 lead. No more. Like, did you know you could win?
Me name baby. So believe no if you buy it.
Okay.
But I'm telling you, right from the blast of the whistle, even the pre-match on Friday, we told them say, "Omo to me share."
Okay.
And on the match day, you could do you catch them play say, "Omo to me share." And then no cost on you now. If you want, maybe a referee penalty no against Kotoko na. Now made to 2 minutes na there no. Na Akoto Richard Akoto. Catch up support in penny for now. Was connect with presidential. Or catch up say, if we don't score. You cannot score us. So now your name say the kind of spirit boys, you know. Ekitano. Well, Friday and you Samba, MP, Abet, Kamara, about 8 of our players.
And now, Omoyari.
They said they just want to be light on the match day for the game. So, Emma, yenya reshim bi say, mranti ayi wo ho. You push them kakra.
They can go far.
They can go far. Because these are professionals. These are real professionals. Unwomu abontin. Unwomu. Ewa abontin. Especially at night before the game. Unwomu. Unya player. Sometimes I'm focusing on na.
Oh, okay.
Osheni demo. Ina idea. Inti paying for idea. Paying for idea.
But what were the incentives after winning this Toyota Cup? You say we might not know of, because definitely no more performance we know. More building fan base being so
oh yes.
But then what came with winning the Toyota Cup?
We made it clear before Yefia.
Okay.
There was nothing like financial incentive. Yeah.
There was nothing like that.
No. There was nothing like that.
Okay.
Because look, I'm okay for 25-man contingent. 45.
45.
Yes.
45.
Plane, airfare, accommodation, feeding from Wednesday to Sunday. Charlie, and yet easy. And they were hosting a 4-star hotel
for 5 or 6 days.
6 days. Emma will be here. They have also qualified to play in the CAF Confederations Cup.
Okay, yeah. Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah.
Yes. More players, that exposure. More players, that experience. Say, okay. When you be apart from management members, I'll be doing it, who support a BIA. But you have to play. So upon all this, what else? You win a trophy, and now I have a few honor. I was over the container. What design container be? But with Nikki, be for the trophy.
For the trophy,
I'm telling you.
Toyota Cup
I am telling you. A luggage on its own.
And a trophy the ship.
Now we were not even expecting it. By now, after breakfast.
Trophy na dia mam ya sama luggage abodi besim
omo abe yeah bibia kabai no packaging no dey share there no lock him the key no man na pinkra then now omo buy airport now say that trophy no
that's no bibi say
I dey be so ba kese bi na pinkra ka na echi.
Wow.
Chale yeah football pa dia because obi catch say Ghana, I say, yeah, and to actually. Because, Charlie, we are not doing football.
We say, kudos to Krabi Asante Kotoko for winning the Toyota Cup. We are proud of you. Great work done from police officer Atintola at Denta. It looks like Kotoko fans are pretty much excited. But, Nii Darko, MTNFA Cup, President's Cup, money Division 1 side about money more greatest rivals about Marco South Africa, one of the best teams on the African continent. Yes, there was a friendly game, a competitive one, which made Yomsun Kunim. What indication does that give you heading into the new season at the back of confirming Abdul Karim Zito and all the signings you've made?
What's the Amaya Hunima Bibre? One, your technical bench, especially on the back on the qualities in Hamza. The assistant coach, Hamza. Obeying, Edine Ba Kotoko no. Nipano has done a great job for Asante Kotoko. It could do Durban from Wednesday to Friday, Saturday, Hamza and Dada, of 37 games of Kaizer Chiefs.
And yes, with the entire season games on Mubo in Anamoje.
I'm telling you. One Dada. So am I who say your technical staff no crano, or am I ready for the coming season? Two, am I who the strength? Any weakness is what team? Maybe I will say, yeah, beefy, and maybe I say, yes, shipping, I say, my own. And that Kotoko who say, even in the absence of Zakaria Fuseni, in the absence of Ablono, you can rely on Samba and Ansu, and you are good to go. And my one never be brave, say, a goalkeeper like Kamara, very intimidating when in the post. It is ABA, never kakrebu who I say policy, you will do it. ABA in Finfini, are we missing the absence of intim menu? Those are you mobile, are they performing as he does? Am I who wingers are your walk any point if I so here encourage you? Am I who your attackers? Because here Africa, like I told you, when Musa are going to participate in the CAF Confederation Cup, so you are going to meet opposition. Ebia upgrade Ebia na obo we name sing we no mu. So we have this kind of spirit and when it say we have to do more. And game nankasa boa yen because my place no kra hu say ye call abonten na ye kruwiri ye hu in the CAF Confederations Cup. Yen to be win the kra no enye yen draw e de be fie. Who the be fie na obanya win wo home, you are good to go. So my Coach Abdul Karim Zito, he told me after the game, said, on the management by meeting, my yes true, the be fine. He tells me, say, when we might be in the game, because they call Mukacha and play, say, everything have the opportunity to do 14 substitutions. 14
within the game.
Yes, within the game.
Okay, someone say pre-season.
Pre-season. And I'll be trying the players. It's Kaizer Chiefs almost just on 2 occasions. Yeah. Home and then away. So my opportunity say so bet me start 14 and happy. So now I think say every Kotoko supporter deserve to be happy. Every Ghanaian deserve to be happy. Until then I do airport no. Now surprisingly, Mr. Frank Nelson was even there to welcome Asante Kotoko.
Wow.
Yes. Michael Sekre was there. Frank Nelson was there. Nice. Gigi was there. Nice. Dasoberi Newton was there. Our Western Regional Chairman Dachi Hine was there. Mr. Obin Sekre was there. You know, he's vying for the national chairmanship. Yes. Yeah. They were all there. And it tells you, say, baby, I call you, na nye Kotoko Nkwandimu. And they call it. You can't know fighting for Saka. Obo national anthem no. But now I will be a jama almost. So, Charlie, good say in for this particular invitation no. I said that time NASA echo said that did the Naba or Nigeria.
You were also invited to participate in it.
We got it first
before Hearts of Oak.
Yes.
What's say Nii Darko? Nii Darko.
Nii Darko.
What's say Echo International Tournament nanka ebe baso Nigeria no. Ebe si Kotoko so first. And I'm declining as some of them.
Me see ha. Me met me be actually ebe si me so.
And I will decline on behalf of and now they call here and I'm declining.
They call here
and they declined.
And I pay for shame.
Now Saturn Toyota Cup request about that.
Naba. It is a shame you know the benefit Asante Kotoko.
And I'm who say we benefit
benefit here. And I call ye. Nipa or the buyer, omoleta I buy any, me Ninka and that will be a omoleta with the buyers. I can permit with their mom. Nobody are two Facebook. So we got it first.
And you declined.
We declined it. Say and people were bashing us. And I'm qualified for Africa. And I'm BBC about opportunity BC about. And I'm Muse Munko. And I did Miss Remoa Sak Campo Ebaso. That tournament. What is it about Abaso?
Say has for declining, but we've not
about it. It has a phone call.
Since
a declining way
for that one.
For that one. What do you think we have done to our supporters and the team?
But don't you also think, say, team now invite him on baby Omuono and so can home? Maybe that also informed your decision.
Oh no, not really. We are penny now lead a team like Asante Kotoko. We lead a team like Asante Kotoko. I was say we are careful with Nyama Ubejia to Minidia. Unyentum. The benefit club no. And I will say Ujetum. I say one sorry keke. Now would let down come here publicity say Kotoko is part of the things that Babebo idea no crown on. Now you cry engine to muye. And you cry engine to muye. What I say, so we say when we no professionalism no aware name. It be the name say as for graduate to now muye because we say that tournament name maso.
Wow. Now nim pass.
Oh, na me say maso. Now Oka make say we Kotoko.
Nii Darko Kamara Adari, Jehu, about 11 new players. Have you been impressed so far with what you've seen from the players?
More than impressed. More than impressed. And look, Friday night you call press conference. You know, I don't know if you have that tape here. Adabo. He asked the media. People start a question. Say, do you know the animal called porcupine? Do you really know the animal?
Adabo or no sign fee?
I am telling you. Tape do you know what? You can edit to your website.
Wow.
And I can say,
now then you bisa no nuko bisa obi oni.
I say, our believe in the trust or team Asante Kotoko Communications. And I say, do you know the animal called the porcupine? And I can say, and I say, what is it about? And I say, if you want to know what that animal is, go into the forest, because anytime that animal is in the forest, no animal gets closer to the porcupine. He said it.
Wow.
He said it.
Yeah.
So, and my young say, already the spirit of the porcupine or the Asante Kotoko spirit, I share Nanti no more data. So, on any given day, Biano, they should be able to perform. And look, Kamara, that Rena I talk from Bechemno, the kind of oppositioner or the Makamara no. If Benjamin Chum no crock and head cook panocrano. So and then se Kamara no maybe enyami ya.
You rest assured to be a hobby to me.
Dari wo. Sansuna Benjamin Chum wo. Me who say be back four. The first a center pair. We compare Ansu and Ablo.
Yeah.
We go. We compare Samba
and
Fuseni. We are good to go. Look at the right full and then back the left full back as well. So me who say sign is na no. Na strategic. But na man for anti-asie.
So now they understand.
Oh, yes, you understand.
Nii Darko special guest today on the Monday edition of the Max Sports Park. You're live on Max TV. We also airborne on Max 89.7. So also on Facebook and so yeah live ho. Now baby it's just 10 minutes to midday. Now you be phone lines no. Now most of me at my drink. Yeah Toyota Cup home komo pa enne. Na Nii Darko say you're born a dear. Or shall you born a dear? As he diagro, it will come. Young Colin says to you for course. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Desire Koko, I'm in school.
See Kotogadi. See Kotogadi.
Yeah, if I mean, Nii Darko.
Nii Darko, you be a hero.
I mean, she really with you. Kotoko Communications with you for 2 days. In a 3 coffee. She supports us, and we can make one with you. I the decisions. Can't the decisions general one to you. Oh, I mean to make one. I don't know. We congratulate that thing.
Sure.
I don't community.
Bon Oyiwaladon Akebun Otra ni Oko Ono Eba 0550055522 Hello.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning, boss.
Yes, I'm Isaac Amwakum.
Okay, Pacho Ofrefi.
Because every Swan Lake, North Carnation.
Oh, North Key, Obey. Isaac, Moanonque.
Media in Paka and Simmons Reno. We are on frame, we never won't come.
Okay, what?
Yeah, don't matter. Say, Anna Kotoko for your pay. There, the answer I start here, young Stadium. Omunkoso, no Munyan is our mind. And then I see the great. Right, sir.
Okay. So yeah, that's say what the Abba anti course no your activity phone lines also bet me afraid and what the Abba. Hello.
Yes, hello. Mr. Nii Darko from me man wa Mr. Wa me pese me ni din komo be Mr. Wa.
Pacho o de ye program na no afre. Why? Na Mr. Why? Me that say. Okay. Thank you very much. We say good morning, Josiah. Congratulations to Asante Kotoko trophy. But Sergio, if this is how Kotoko is going to play in the confederations, then we should think about coming home by being eliminated. Kotoko couldn't string even 2 passes in a row. Very abysmal and shambolic performance, but luck was on our side. I'll aid the players and the technical team to put up more effort. Nana Mwako from Ashaman, Newtown at Gito Aluminium Enterprise. And on this, so Eddie and Obai. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning.
The Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, Yangwe.
Boko to Baba so. Oma bombardier wo signal me starting. Ani epe. So ma start o magic cap no, magic cap, fair cap amani. Mo bo si no mo bo to Mbapa so na ze o. E dey o mo timi dey see. Dana, yeah, blacking so. The mercy. So more magic. Omadi bon sabishi. Ani epe say, so mo so ma football no. Oma koso. Mo mu ja mo sa to. No ma ye njo me ja mo sa. Mo koso mo ton koso mo bo mo. Mo di na ma football na koso.
Okay.
Nana o fa je ba.
Pacho say.
O fa je na.
There Pacho and Debbie Unia. Okay. Yeah, that's say also what the aba. Hello. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, boss.
Your family Kwabna Mr. Fish Station.
Okay, Kwabna, Yintio.
Me da Kotoko Kwasi. Any modimo makwaba my especially Nii Darko. Me kasa msumu ye de yipa. Any man de amanko fi me enjoy the program. Every Monday be am jam and Mr. Kotoko Kwasi season this start here a first match no. A first home match no mo dia nanka. Omuni trophy training in answer. Na fans ni so yem play ni hwe. Na hwe team ni cry any more na found season ni so yi. That was.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. Nii Darko, what about trophy parade?
Management is yes to decide, but I think
when was last time Obi here team here trophy parade wa? When you parade? So Lokuna,
I remember said that na sponsor time yeah winning.
Emba. Okay. What the anchor line? So hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
But your family question about me Kasafe apetia.
Okay. Back with you. You too.
But so last match me should do ni dia wa han say. After ya brought in ni kasano. I say Ghana ye dia go eno kwe I so to God nko fo no ho tin ankasa physical. Àwọn bí wọn àwọn ọ̀dọ́ wọn sá so bọbọ ní support Kotoko ankasa even go ọmọ keeper no referee na ọmọ officiate match no nice man o down say goalkeeper ní jan line no so pa ọmọ penalty baako bi a ẹyẹ Kamara ẹkọtí ní dẹ sẹ ọmọ player no bẹ bọ a na ọmọ bẹ wi ni no Kamara ẹkọtí no ọmọ keeper na ebie abẹkye no ẹsọ still kra na ọmọ sẹ dẹ ọmọ nkọ. Me be na Kotoko de ka na kasa me ni aje me so me bobo akotia han say ba me nya Kotoko even almost junior teams in the kana bo pa so to go this me go to papa.
Okay, yeah that's it say also the about Brakwisi yeah fine last caller na yetie Nii Darko final words and sana yeah call hello
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Israel.
Yes, boss.
I go.
Yeah, you.
Nananda kwa baka ya sana bada ho cheme.
Naba. Ada why they?
Oko bebi a onkra.
Onkra mesu. Ejuma dia sa det here.
Oko bebi onkra.
Ejuma dia sa yeah.
Mr. Everett.
Okay.
The whole Ghana bema ba kwa no ho fa makani.
Hey, okay. It you. Bema ho fe.
Me has ni ne mo me Kotoko kwa wo nia nkunimdi amuko Dubai. But who to come the mom they say omo form game because Africa no it's not an easy task because o monitor game ni pa it look like trackers no na enko ye fa Kotoko I wish them the good best in Africa with that.
Thank you very much. Any idea course no ABC NTB sorry so Nii Darko yes trophy parade.
Oh, a suggestion.
But any bad through the streets of Amekom, nobody are fine for Asafo Kakra, nobody are fine. Nothing with I think it's just to mobilize the funds.
Oh
right?
yeah, once this is I say whatever we do to bring back the supporters to the stands. No, we are going to do it. Sure. It is a way back on my bar. Why not? We'll consider it. My catch supporters and say I'm more such matches here. Yeah, who they will say our team no more.
Sure.
These are some of the things to me I share a squad no going into the season. You know, maybe I will say be piano. But I can assure them I can 1 or 2 way be before the commencement of the season and be fine. To makuma and to be enough about sensors no register.
Okay.
And no dear who I am pa. We are Kotoko supporter. I was able to be a register. Now who contributed to the growth of the club. And you will scar play a beer in who yen to minto. Chiefs, one more players who scapa out the top players. You watch the war. You know, we show. Only beer. And God be do team entirely. You know, let's supporters say any contribute now be behind your fine.
Right. Yeah, that's say. Nadedu,
Mr. Mark Minta or your monitor no Kadeshi or the chief any tea we are KK Bass no one be mutafa be try for 180 no more shares so mean show me pa moko we be Mr. Jonathan and the Benjamin
na do your time call ya da wa say we are ordinary video na eto Max TV Max FM 8907 mo amutini in to Facebook and so ya da mo say and good morning going to Mr. James Lamte, CEO of GH Soccer Academy. You have come on. We'll talk right after the show, don't worry. But then to you out there who made time, thanks so much. Ya chance so ya di niumbia ebebrem ya kramu na